Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. A head-on car crash sidelined a young mom. A rare transplant was the only option to get her life back. Lacy Cornelius Boyd and her family were involved in a car accident on March 19, 2024 that left her with severe intestinal injuries. She was diagnosed with short bowel syndrome and required 12 hours of poor nutrition daily, leaving her weak and embarrassed to go out in public. After being told her condition was permanent, Boyd self-referred to the Cleveland Clinic and was recommended for a rare and risky intestinal transplant. In July 2025, Boyd successfully underwent the 12-hour intestinal transplant surgery at the Cleveland Clinic. After 3 weeks in the hospital and 3 months of recovery in Cleveland, Boyd returned home to Oklahoma just before the holidays, able to participate in family traditions again. Boyd remains on anti-rejection medications but has regained a normal quality of life, grateful for the chance to be present for her young daughter again. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak